It's about to go down. In a minute, let me touch down. I'ma get it. Cause I been waiting all night to make it go from the friend zone to the end zone. Tryna take it to the house, baby, let's go. Cause I been waiting all night. It's game time. I'm a hustler, baby. Why you think they pay me? Let me know when you're ready to roll. Do 180 in the gray Mercedes, South Beach, where they love me the most. And you know they gon' watch me ballin' like a Michael Jordan and always win like he did in the fourth. When the shots is falling and the phone's recording, yeah, you know that we doing the most. We gon' make it rain, 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 like we won a championship game. We gon' need some more champagne to take it all away. It's about to go down. In a minute, let me touch down. I'ma get it. Cause I been waiting all night to make it go from the friend zone to the end zone. Tryna take it to the house, baby, let's go. Cause I been waiting all night. It's game time. Shop until your fingers sore. I'ma bought a credit card made from me floor. Hey, it's game time and I'm in the pros. Nah, me and your ex can't.
Okay, this is the new program for the school. Dahil po, alam ko merong mga mahilig sa basketball. Kaya yan na po ang ating program sa basketball. Next year, sasama po tayo sa mga competition sa basketball for inter-private school competition. Yan po ang ating mga drills. Drills from mga skills po yan. Pero nag-drills na sila last Thursday with the ano yan? Exhibition game na po last week or last Thursday.
It's game time.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. All right.
Okay, right now, what they're doing is their passing skills. Yan. Pinapakita po na nila ang passing skills such as chest pass. Yan. Together with Coach Christian.
The purpose of these basketball drills is to enhance speed and improve ball passing skills.